Hello and welcome. This is a drink called How to Make Professor Decaf Coffee Sweetheart. First thing you gotta do is you open up the mix and you get a scoop and you pour it into this mug. And then get the water, you fill it up from the fridge. Then, after that, go put 2 king sugars in there. Then after that, you pour in, open up the packets of sugar, and you put it into a cup. And after that, you stir it up until the cane sugar and the sugar is dissolved. Just gotta stir for a little longer and a little more, just to make sure it's fully dissolved. And there you go, folks. Here is your Professor Decaf Coffee with Chicory Sweetheart. Enjoy it, folks, and thank you for watching.